Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today to talk about something which is not new but might be interesting for some of you. Now, if you are one of those that enjoy browsing on Netflix and spending more time browsing than watching a series or a movie, then probably this video is not for you. On the other hand, if you are someone that already knows what's going to watch next and is going to search exactly for that, then this video is probably not for you. On the other hand, if you are like myself, which doesn't have time to watch TV or series, then this video is not for you. But on the other hand, if you are someone that has consumed a lot of content on Netflix, and besides that is a bit tired of seeing the same things appear on the screen, then probably this video will help you out. Now, I'll leave a link down below for the site where I read the codes, and I will leave a lot of codes down below so that you can check out the categories, the different categories that you can browse and see for yourself what you want to watch or not, more strict for the area that you want. So down on the description you'll find everything. You just need to copy and paste. Basically what you will need to do is go to your web browser, on any computer, just log into your account, and after that you just need to put in the web address netflix.com-browse-genre- the code. And for example, let's say that you enjoy zombies, so let's try 75405, and there we go. Zombies, everything that is related to zombies. If you put 11177, cartoons, and there we go, a lot of cartoons to watch, and there are a lot more in terms of cartoons. This was one of the categories. If we go to 10375, it's comedies. If we go to 67673, at least in my country, Portugal, it was empty, it's Disney. And probably because we have Disney Plus right over here, I'm not really sure. This depends on the geographic, so just have this in mind that it will not be the same for everyone. If we do 6839, then we go to documentaries, which is actually something that interests me. And if we go to 3179, we will go to biographic dramas. If we go to 6218, 3 to 4 years old, cartoons targeted at that age. 5 to 7 will be 54-55, and if we go to 75-804, we will have vampires, and there are a lot more. I haven't tested all of them, but there are a lot more that will narrow our choices, and this is a very interesting thing. And once again, it's nothing new, but for me it is. When I read the news, I said, okay, I have to try this and see if it fits or not. And if you use an Android TV box like I do, or an Apple TV to watch your Netflix, this will not work on those devices. But my suggestion is spend a little bit of time on your browser, just check out what you want to see, and after that, if you find something interesting, just put it on your list. And once you go to your Apple TV or NVIDIA Shield or whatever device you use to watch Netflix, you will have it on your watch list, and you just have to press it, and bam. And that is it, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.